Too much talk leads to sin. Be sensible and keep your mouth shut.
Shut your mouth. Buying a house? Shut your mouth. Buying a new car? Shut your mouth. Getting married? Shut your mouth. Going on a holiday? Shut your mouth. Going to do a course? Shut your mouth. Got promoted? Shut your mouth. 99% of the time, the reason that our dreams don't come true when they are supposed to is because we open our mouths too soon to the wrong people at the wrong time. We were wrong to share our successes with people who claim to be friends. Remember, the envy and jealousy is enough for people to feed off and tear you down, so shut your mouth. The majority of your friends want to see you do well, but never better than them. And just remember, even family members have a hidden envy, but they can't stop what God has for you. Don't be an idiot.